What's going on, guys? This is George from StreetCulture.US, and why am I making this video? Well, I'm reaching out to you guys. First, I'd like to say thank you to Ion PCS for giving us the thumbs up on those AEM timing gears. That was awesome, buddy, and guess what? We are moving forward with those AEM timing gears on the engine. So, why am I talking about this now? Well, here's the thing, guys. We have about 178 days until Fuel Fest Chicago. If you're not familiar with Fuel Fest is ran by Cody Walker, Paul Walker's brother from The Fast and the Furious, and he has this really cool event, best thing since Hot Import Nights, called Fuel Fest. We're talking drifting, drag racing, car shows, automobilia. We're talking parts, vendors. It's just insane. It is just a blast. And a concert at the end of the night on Saturday night, which is fantastic. So here's what we're doing, guys. I have an old car that we used to race back in the day, a 1995 Honda Civic DX, which we called the Civic NBR. Why? Because Nürburgring. Now here's the cool part. This car has been in storage on and off for about 12 years. Haven't really done any competitiveness with it, haven't really showed it, nothing, right? This car was built for racing back in the day with Mike Missick and myself in a joint venture, Mike Missick from Emerge Racing. So check it out. I need your guys' help because we are freshening up the engine bay with newer technology and newer components to bring a little bit more of a fresh appearance to it, but also keep that really cool early 2000s build look. So again, Ion PCS gave us the thumbs up for the AEM timing gears for the head of the B series engine that's in the car, and we really appreciate that. So now we're going to move forward with it. We're going to be posting periodically over the course of the next few weeks. We got about 178 to 180 days left until Fuel Fest, and we're going to post up parts. So I need your guys' help when these parts come up on StreetCulture.US, Instagram, TikTok. I'm going to do YouTube videos to catch up you guys on the progress of the car. I need your thumbs up or your thumbs down, and leave your comments and thoughts because your opinion matters. And I want to make sure that when we go to Fuel Fest, that they know that this was a collaborated effort, not only from myself building the car, but with your guys' input. So, that being said, make sure when I post parts up, like we did with the timing gears the other day, that you give a thumbs up, a thumbs down, show it to your friends, ask them what they think, and if you have any thoughts or technical advice, go ahead and leave it in the comments because we want to hear from you. That being said, I'm going to finish up my food here. This is George for StreetCulture.US saying I need you guys to help out for Fuel Fest 2026. Remember to dream it, build it, drive it, so I can see you on the road.